I'm now at the station of Modena, the hometown of Ferrari. Let me show you how Italians wild things. You can look through it. Epic welding, bro. Epic welding. Look at their welding. Look at their welding. My god. What is this? Oh. Want to look for good welding? Look for Ben Shear. Ben Shear in Puchong. Bye bye. She fetched me here. We couldn't get a taxi. We couldn't get anything. And she fetched us here to the Pagani Museum. Let's go. Oh. What a journey. From Rome to Bologna. From Bologna to Modena. From Modena back to Castelfranco, Emilia. And then here we are. Horacio Pagani Museum entrance. Let me show you. I am here at Pagani's museum. Look at that. Oh my god. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at every single detail, and that's Pagani. Can I have side mirror? Look at the teardrop shapes of the side mirror. Look at the wiper arms. The carbon fiber on the wiper arms, the seats, every single thing, every single detail. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh my god, I have no words to say. Look at the hinges of the active arrows. Are those CSB Pros? Oh, look at that. Stunning, stunning looking thing. Oh my god. This is the utopia of car making. Oh, let's go. Let me show you Pagani's toilet. Carbon fiber. Look at this. Guys. Look at that. It's crazy. Guys, look at this. Look at this. I am actually looking at it in front of me. My god. Yes, yes, that's the Roadster BC. Oh my god, look at the details. Look at the details of the car. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And this is Pagani. Another level altogether. I can stand here whole year just to look at this. Yep, I can stand here the entire year. What? Crazy. That's Pagani. Oh my god, this is just dream. There's one at the back there. The cover open up. Can you guys see that? Damn. Oh my god. This is Pagani. This is the inside of Pagani's factory. And I'm here to book my first Pagani. Yeah. I wish. Yes, I'm here to book my first Pagani. I wish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy. Yep, this is Pagani. Look at that. Yep. Absolutely stunning. So they made this board here to show the Motor Valley of Italy in Bologna. Right? All these Ferrari, Maserati, and of course Pagani and Lamborghini. Imola Circuit is here. Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Sandra, the engineer motor show, arrived, say, oh, you're Mr. Pagani, nice to meet you. My name is Benny Caiola. This is my money. I want to buy the car. This is success. Okay? Not fairy tale. It's practical. Success means that you have client to sell your cars. That's it. The second project, Zonda says for...
How much did he pay?
How much?
Did he pay?
The Zonda C12 was around 400,000, and then depends.
Because this is the only car, right? At this point, there's only one car.
One car only. That's
Must be
it.
sad to sell it.
And you know why we call this car La Nonna under Zonda?
La Nonna.
It's a grandmother. You know why? Because we didn't have the crash test car. All the producer has the extra car to do the crash test, or the extra car to do the press presentations, or the extra car to do the innovation. We did everything on this car. Everything. Wow. So imagine this car has been destroyed and rebuilt, destroyed and rebuilt, destroyed and rebuilt many times. But for the 60th anniversary, the family, Christopher, the guy that was speaking with the lady at the entrance of the production, I think the major son is Leonardo, but I always confuse Christopher and Leonardo and Christina. They asked for the last restyling for this car, for the last reconstruction, let's say, for as a gift for the father for the 60th anniversary of Mr. Pagani, and retire this car at the museum. Okay, today we have the extra car to do everything, but until 2015 we did everything on this car. Okay, and this project was wanted and paid by a production for a French movie. I want to tell you because the blue France is really recognizable. Remember that we choose when we start to race in the 60s, different colors for each country. Italy is.
Oh no, just worried about missing photo opportunities. I'm like, there'll be time.
No, here you are.
We can take
any
photos.
picture you
Ah.
want.
It's okay.
Don't worry. Here you can take any picture.
You mean after the tour, we can
now,
walk
you
in?
can stay here. Just give me back the radio. I will leave you after the Zonda R.
Thank you.
And
Less pressure, but we need more water to go through and keep the same amount coming, right? So what they want is a little bit of backward pressure on the exhaust in order to make the engine most efficient. I'll show you. But Alex, remember I showed you before too how the rear part of the chassis falls on, right? To see where it's connected in here. In that rear part of the chassis. And it used to the transmission system, right? So this is what's called the
Alright guys, I just finished the factory tour, and now factory tour, of course I cannot bring the phone in because every single car that is in production in there belongs to somebody and I cannot video their car. So this is sort of like the museum, the beginnings of Horacio Pagani. I'm not going to waste time here because you can read all about this on the internet. This is, they call this the Zonda La Noma, because back then they were so poor, they only have one car to do crash tests, to do homologation, to do test drives, to do everything. So this car was destroyed, rebuilt, destroyed, rebuilt, destroyed, rebuilt. And then on Horacio Pagani's birthday, the family decided to rebuild this car for one last time as a gift to Mr. Horacio Pagani. And there it is. They call it the La Noma, the grandmother, right? And this one is the Zonda S in blue, alright, used for a movie with a non-homologated side mirror, right? That's the Zonda F. To remember Fangio. Fangio is the guy who kickstarted Horacio's possibility of working in Lamborghini. So he's a very famous racer, and Fangio meant a lot for Mr. Horacio. But the reason he didn't name the first car as Fangio, because that would be like using Fangio's name to sell his cars. He wants his cars to reach the same level, then only he commemorate Mr. Fangio. Right, that's the Cinque Roadster. Only 5 Cinque Coupe in the world. This is the Roadster. There's only 4 in the world. Right, next to this is the Zonda Revo Barchetta. Zonda HP Barchetta Revo. HP means my colleague HP, but also Horacio Pagani. This is his gift to himself of how extreme he wants the Zonda to be, where if it is a race car, right? So he wants to just recreate the most batshit crazy Zonda for himself, and then there's only one in the world. But when he did this, obviously he will be pressured into making others by his really, really good friends or somebody else who he cannot resist. So there are only 3 in the world, and this is the Zonda R. Horacio Pagani's idea of the most extreme race car on Nürburgring were if there were no homologation rules. Right? There were no rules, and you just want to make your car as fast as possible, as light as possible, and there you go. So this is, you see, he puts, people who he really respect over here, Dieter Zetsch, and so these are the things of what makes Pagani so amazing. That's the Affalterbach logo. That's the brake pedals. Oh my god, it's just amazing. Look at the handles. Brilliant. That's Evo magazine. That's the engine. They use a 7.3 liter V12 from Mercedes. These are the awards that they got. And Evo Car of the Year, Horacio Pagani. Yep, amazing. That's the whole carbon. And look at all that.
Gearbox connects the engine and the drive shaft together.
Look at that. This is how it looks. Amazing. Right? I'm so lucky to be able to visit Pagani's factory, and this will be something I will not forget. What a memorable place to be. Look at all the magazine covers. Can we find Evo there? Of course. Of course. Right. There's a reason why. That's my... Yeah. Look at that. And a gear lever. See the gear lever? The springs. That is Pagani. See, to open this, you have to open the strap like a watch. That as well? Yeah. Cool.